Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice Math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 8 to the power of 8 minus 88 and we write this into the lowest form. Okay, so here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem, so that we solve this problem without using the calculator. So here first we need to focus on the base of this term. So you see that the base of this term is 8 and we write 8 in prime factors form as 2 cubed. Okay, we know that 2 cubed equals to 8, and now we need to replace our this base equals to 2 cubed, and it will be written as 2 cubed and its whole exponent is 8 and minus 88. So after this step here we use an exponent law. So you know that if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So according to this exponent law, we just multiply these two exponents and we write it as 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 8 minus this is our 88. So further in the next step, you see here we multiply these two terms and you get 2 to the power of 3 times of 8 becomes 24 minus 88. This is our 88. So here if we use another exponent law, and you know that here we need to focus on the exponent of this term. So the exponent of this term is 24 and we write this 24 as 2 to the power of 2 times of 12. We know that 2 times of 12 becomes 24, and here we have another exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m multiplied by n, so we write it as a to the power of m to the power of n. So this is the reverse process of this exponent law. So according to this exponent law, we move this 12 inside this term and we write it as 2 to the power of 12 and its whole square, and minus this is our 88. We write it as it is here on both of these terms. And now after this step here we need to find the value of 2 to the power of 12, so that here I can just say some simple trick in which you easily get the value of 2 to the power of 12 without using the calculator. So you know that if you have 2 to the power of 1, it is equals to 2. If we have 2 to the power of 2, it is equals to 4. We know that 2 to the power of 3 equals to 8 and 2 to the power of 4 equals to 16. It means that if you focus in the right hand side of this equation, in order to find the next power of 2, you just multiply the previous result by 2. You see here, this is 2. When you multiply 2 by 2, you get 4. 4 times of 2 is 8. 8 times of 2 is 16. So we know that 2 to the power of 5 equals to 16 times of 2 becomes 32. And 2 to the power of 6 equals to 32 times of 2 becomes 64. Similarly, 2 to the power of 7 equals to 64 times of 2 becomes 128. And now similarly in that way you can easily get the value of 2 to the power of 12. So 2 to the power of 12 is equals to 4096. Okay, so that now we replace the value of 2 to the power of 12 here, so that it will be written as in this form. So 2 to the power of 12 equals to 4096 and its whole square minus 88. So because we solve this problem without using the calculator, so we need all the working on this paper, or we show all of the working here. Okay, so now we write this term 4096 as 4000 and plus 96 and its whole square minus 88. So here we use the algebraic formula. You know that if we have a square, if you have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So here we need this nice formula in order to solve the above expression, so that Now you see here 4000 is our eighth term and 96 is our b term, so that now we replace a and b equals to these two values in this formula and you get its output in this form. So this is a square. So here our a is 4000 square plus 2 times of a is 4000 into b is 96 and plus b square, so b is 96 square. Okay, so after this step, in order to find the square of 4000, you just take the square of 4. So you know that the square of 4 equals to 16, and in order to find the square of these three zeros, you can just double these three zeros. Okay, so these three zeros becomes here 6 zeros, and plus here you have 2 times of 4000 equals to 8000 into 96, and plus here we have the question to find the square of 96. So here, in order to find the square of this 96, this is the traditional multiplication. You can use the traditional method of multiplication which you can learn about your primary classes in order to find the square of 96. So here I can just in the shortage of time, I can just write the output of, or write the answer of 96 square. It is equals to 9216. Okay, this is the square of 96. You can easily get this square here. So now after this step, sorry, here I can missing one term, so that our this term is minus 88. So we can carry this term as it is here. Okay, I can write it here. This will be the term minus 88, which you can carry as it is. Okay, so now after that we need to more simplifications here, and we write it as 1 6 and 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 plus. Now here we have time to multiply 8000 with 96. So I can already tells us that you can use the traditional method of multiplication, in which you easily get the value of these two product equals to 768 and 000, and plus this is our 9216. This is minus 88. So now in order to move forward, we need to add these three values, so that we can add these three values in the traditional method of addition. So you can just see here. So this is the greater value, and after that we have this is value is 0 0 0 8 6 and 7, and after that we add the third value, it is 6 1 2 and 9. So we add these three values by traditional method of addition. So you see here the sum of these values is 6 1 2 9 plus 8 is 17. We write 7 and carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. This is 7 and 6 and 1. So here you see that we can add all these values and subtract it by 88. So when you subtract this value by 88, you will get its final output is here you need to take common 1 here. This will become 16. This will become 0. When you take common 1, this will become 10, and here you get 1. So this is 10. Okay. So 16 minus 8 becomes 8, 10 minus 8 becomes 2, this is 1, and 7, 7, 7, 6, and 1. Okay. So finally we have the simplified form of the given algebraic expression is a to the power of 8 minus 88 equals to 1 6 777 128. This is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.